Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Ann Barrett with your business updates for today. Global economic growth is expected to remain steady this year, supported by strong investment in artificial intelligence. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, says that the global economy is projected to grow by 3.3%, with most of that growth coming from the United States and China.
Growth is concentrated in a few sectors, especially in information technology and artificial intelligence. The IT boom has also been concentrated in the US, where IT investment as a share of output has surged to an all-time high. This is generating positive spillovers globally through high demand for technology goods, most notably from Asia.
The IMF also expects global inflation to continue easing, slowing from 4.1% in 2025 to 3.8% this year and to 3.4% in 2027. But while it remains optimistic about global growth, it says the outlook is not without risk. It warned that the AI-driven investment boom has been supported by easy financial conditions, and a growing reliance on debt could amplify shocks if expected returns fail to materialize, drawing comparisons with the 1995 to 2000 dot-com boom.
Our analysis suggests that the potential overvaluation of the US equity market remains modest so far compared to the dot-com episode. We have previously shown that a moderate correction in AI stock valuations, coupled with tighter financial conditions, could reduce global output by 0.4% in 2026.
However, the IMF warned that the impact of any market correction could be broad. Foreign ownership of U.S. equities has increased significantly in recent years, raising the risk of global spillovers. At the same time, if productivity gains from the tech boom fully materialize, global output could rise by an additional 0.3% in 2026. In the meantime, journalists pressed IMF officials on the potential impact of recent geopolitical tensions on the 2026 outlook, including U.S. intervention in Venezuela and escalating disputes over Greenland. The IMF acknowledged that rising trade and geopolitical tensions are among the most pressing risks facing the global economy.
We're establishing our projections in the WEO under the assumption that the level of tariffs remains unchanged. So we have in our current projections, for instance, an effective tariff rate that is estimated at around 18.5% for the US against the rest of the world, and is assuming to stay at that level.
The outlook was shared at the IMF's World Economic Outlook update on Monday. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Ann Barrett.